Road safety education is a collaboration between different partners, and we believe as N3 Toll that it's not a single responsibility of a single department. Road safety is a collective responsibility. The challenge that we have is trying to change driver behavior. Has become a phenomenal problem on the N3, not only on the N3 but also other routes as well. N3TC works in collaboration with the Department of Transport in the 4 provinces. In particular, we work with the road safety component, where under the mandate of the Department of Transport, we educate road users on the dangers of being on the national highway and also the risks that they are taking by themselves and with their families as well. Apart from the RIMS meetings that we have, N3TC is all about bringing people together, and here we run through 4 provinces: KwaZulu-Natal, Free State, Mpumalanga and Gauteng. Here we facilitate meetings where the 4 provinces engage in discussions and ensure that there is communication and coordination through the 4 provinces. One of the successes of these meetings is the winter contingency planning. Here we plan between KZN and Free State, and we ensure that there is effective coordination in the event of snow or runaway fell fires, that we have effective resources, deployment, and make sure that the situation is restored back to normal again.